Hello, welcome back to the Burdu.id channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a shipping discount in Burdu. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button below, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new tutorials. Alright, let's begin. From your Burdu's website dashboard, go to Discounts, then click Create New Discount. First, give your discount a name. For example, I'll name this one Shipping Discount. Now let's talk about the shipping discount types you can choose from. If you select free shipping, it means customers will get shipping fully covered up to the maximum amount you set. This is usually the simplest offer to communicate, and it works very well to increase conversions. Shipping becomes free. Next, there is shipping fee cut. This one is a fixed amount discount on the shipping fee. For example, if shipping is $12 and you set a $5 cut, the customer will pay $7 for shipping. And then you'll also see percent shipping fee. This option applies a percentage discount to shipping. For example, 50% off the shipping fee. This can be useful when shipping fees vary a lot by location or courier. But because it's still beta, and to keep this tutorial simple and stable, we'll focus on the most common one: free shipping. Now, if we save this discount immediately without setting any conditions, this free shipping discount will apply to every order, for any product, to any location, using any shipping method. But most of the time, you usually want it to apply only to specific situations, and that's why Burdu provides the limit by condition feature. Let's go through each condition so you understand what it does. If you enable total purchase, you can make the discount apply only when the customer's cart reaches a minimum amount. For example, free shipping only for orders above $50. If you enable shipping methods, this becomes useful when you have multiple shipping options. If you enable shipping location, you can restrict this discount to specific countries, regions, provinces, or cities. This is very important for international stores because you might only want to subsidize shipping for locations where your shipping costs are still reasonable. You can also limit by selected customer, meaning only specific customers can receive the discount. And you can limit by selected products, meaning the discount only applies when customers purchase specific products. This is very important, considering you won't be offering free shipping on all products, especially if you have a large and varied selection. You can choose which products will apply for free shipping here. There are also options like payment method and quantity, depending on your campaign strategy. Now, here's an important rule. If you select multiple conditions, the discount will only apply when all selected conditions are met at the same time. And also, if you don't check any condition at all, then the discount applies to everything, with no restrictions. All right, now let's create a realistic example. In this store, I want this shipping discount to apply only for a specific product with total purchase above $15. Next, let's say I also want this discount to apply only for specific shipping locations, because I don't want to cover shipping for every country. For this example, I might apply free shipping only for Canada, only with any province. And you'll notice that once you add multiple conditions, they appear listed below as active limitations. So you can clearly see which rules are currently applied to this discount. Now let's summarize what we have so far. This free shipping discount will apply only when the customer buys the selected product with a total purchase above $15, and the shipping destination is within the locations I specified. If one requirement is not met, the discount will not apply. For example, if the customer buys the selected product with a total purchase above $15 but ships it to a country outside the allowed list, then no discount. Or if the customer ships to an allowed location but buys a different product, then no discount as well. Now, let's continue with the schedule settings. On the right side, you can set the start date and end date if you want this discount to run for a specific campaign period. Or, if you want the discount to run indefinitely, you can enable Never Expire. After you've configured the schedule, click Save. Alright, now the discount is created. Next, let's test it so you can see exactly how it works. Go to your store page and try to purchase the selected product with a total purchase above $15. Fill in the customer information, and for the shipping address, choose one of the eligible locations we set earlier. You should see that the shipping discount is applied, and the shipping cost is reduced based on the free shipping rule we created. Now let's test a case where the discount should not apply. Let's reduce the product's quantity. And now you'll see that the shipping discount is not applied because the total product price is under $15. So this is how you can control shipping discounts using conditions in Burdu. Alright, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Burdu channel for more tutorials. Also, follow our social media accounts for more useful content. See you next time.